up, everybody? It's Friday, so I'm in a good mood. Okay, this is just a quick thing that can help maybe a couple of you. If you've got a model and you've put like cool expressions on it and wrinkles and things like that, and you don't see much, remember all you got to do is select your character, Wolfgang, in the scene, and go down to subdivision level and start increasing that, and you'll start seeing a massive difference. From all the way down there to this, I mean, damn, it's looking good. So just to show you, help you understand what's happening is you're adding a lot more resolution to your model. And the more resolution you've got, the more details can come through. Over here, you can see, bam, subdivision. You can see those squares getting smaller and smaller. And with each square, it allows the deformations to come through better and better. The more detail you have, or the more resolution you have, the more detail the displacement maps have to work with. Okay, now be careful, because if you put in a 4, it can absolutely destroy your machine. So be careful. You need quite a beast to run something like that. But if not, I mean, 3 is pretty good and 2 is pretty good. If your model's like further away, you don't need this. You need to put it on a 1 or something. Remember, the more resolution you add to a model, the longer your render times are going to be. Okay, more resolution, more longer render times, and also a hell of a hit to your machine. So be sparing with it. If it's quite far away, you need something like that. You're not going to see the details. But if you're doing a really nice close-up shot or something, it's the difference between the realism that you get. You can have something looking meh, or you can have something looking boom. So it's just a quick tip to maybe help some of you understand what resolution is, and if you can use it, the higher you can go, the better. You don't have to go ridiculously high. It's whatever. Right, hope that helps, and see you in the next one.